What are you doing? We're coming to S13 baby.
Welcome back. We're back again with another S13 vlog. Today we are tackling all inside the engine bay. So we have a lot of work to get done. I already started this morning. I had hella stress getting this wiring harness out. Not that fun on S13, but you know how we talked about on S14? There's some things that you can keep in that would be a pain in the ass to take out, like the brake booster and all that good stuff. Yeah, I was completely correct. We had the entire dash out of this car, everything out of the interior, and it still sucked to get out. So definitely, if you don't need to take the booster out, don't take it out. But we got everything out of here now, obviously, out of the way. And our main thing today of what we're gonna do, as you can see, Andy's about to cut a nice little trailer fender. And why do we have a trailer fender? Because that is gonna be our, not our template, but what we use to create the arch to top this engine bay. So it's a pretty common thing, especially I guess with S chassis, where I've done most of my research with it, is people just use trailer fenders for that. Andy did it on his first ever S13 as well. So you start with one cut in half, and then you kind of figure out exactly where you want it to fall, all that good stuff. So we're gonna show you the process, but first things first, we gotta cut that in half so we can see exactly where we want everything to land.
You gotta figure out how to measure it. You know how? Like this. One corner, right? Fold to the middle. 27. Other corner. Fold to the middle. 27. In my opinion, that's your halfway point, right?
Watch, it's off.
I don't know. But look, my eyeball wasn't terrible. I thought I was a little off, but I initially eyeballed right here. So I was off by a little bit. But my eyes are crooked.
Come on. How do you find it?
Right there, in there.
Nice.
You might need that little piece. You might need that little piece.
Now you got two.
A little while.
Bingo.
There we go. Bingo, what's his name, dog?
Tape measure alive, boy.
Tape measure might lie, but not today.
Not today. On the outside, like this. Rounded side outside. Probably.
Damn. You about to extend the 240?
Extendo. Something like that. Because I won't.
Or do you want to use?
Or do you go like this?
How?
That's so much more space, dude. I think right here, that's money. Maybe
I think we gotta go. I think
right there, Max.
I think go almost halfway through that.
Measure this. You have 4 inches here?
We need 3 inches there.
I know, but you have 4 for clearance.
4 inches of here, dog. That's what. Yeah, that. Nah, yeah.
Alright, so let's
but no, realistically, come back a little bit. Realistically, we need 4 inches down here, like that.
So okay.
Something like
so
that.
I was saying
Yeah, I think halfway through this line.
So right there.
So that's 4. That's 4.5 right there.
All right, mark that.
But hold on.
Cut it off right there.
Yeah.
I think we're at the point of now we can cut that.
Oh, I guess, yeah, you cut that, and then we have to start notching this
To fit there.
so that this lines up with this. We gotta make up whatever this is and get this to sit in here more, and then that's where you're gonna have to, I don't know.
Well, we'll make a template off of this to trace on that wherever we want it to.
And then get it in so that it's even with this. And then it out. And then we need a flat piece for here.
Yeah. I didn't do what I wanted to. But then you still have this gap here.
No, but the house already marked, and this is good here.
You don't see that every day.
I mean, with that chassis, you kind of do.
It's very common, actually.
Yeah, peel this.
This all gonna cut out though.
What have you done to this poor car?
This is crazy.
Oh my goodness. Dear car, he's sorry.
Bro, we're getting deep into this.
Real deep.
We're getting real deep.
Gotta tub it now.
Hey, no, we're just gonna tub one side. I don't like what we're doing here.
Yeah, just leave it. You could be the first Guinness Book of World Records.
I think we're.
Oh.
I still, what I gotta do, we're going to that. I gotta trim from here. We're gonna draw this template. We're gonna cut it roughly, and then slowly start working our way all the way in.
Pump it.
Working your way all the way in.
Working our way all the way in.
All right, sounds good.
The Sawzall will cut this bitch?
No.
I don't know. Probably, actually.
You think it'll cut it?
Yeah, it's 14.
Yeah.
But I don't know that blade.
It's gonna be like this.
Just gotta keep it all the way in.
Whoa, pause. Just gotta push it.
Hard! Push that shit down. My trash can. Dude, that actually was amazing.
Holy-
That we didn't hurt it way worse.
Holy abuse. Jesus. Man. There you go, dog. Cut a little off the side. Cut a little off the side and call it a day.
Shit, bro. Shot it. We got fully cut out pretty much exactly where everything's gonna meet up. So we're about to tack it all in, but before we do that, we're gonna use a weld-through primer called Steel It. So all this is like weldable primer. It's like primer that's got metal in it that I guess like helps with the weld. It like binds to it. I don't know exactly how it works, but either way, you weld through it. So this helps with getting in all like the tight areas or like the inside of pieces that we're gonna fully close in that we won't be able to spray later. So this way it doesn't corrode or rust and shit with being bare metal.
Gonna sit perfect. Not bad.
Damn, dude. Doubled up on
the
a
template. Hey guys, if you want the template, you got it.
Yeah,
the
GGOD, baby. Come get it.
No, it's right here.
Here's the template right here.
Right here.
I'm 60-16 and let her eat. Oh, it worked. Papi Menino. Ooh. So now, make sure all good. Maybe one more.
Oh
I
yeah.
want to turn it up a little bit though. I ain't really fucking penetrating. Oh man. 60-16. Turn her up, dude. Let her eat on this fine Saturday. Oh, now she's. That's the shit. I was like, why? So, Andy's grinding down from the weld. Metal's pretty dirty, so it just wasn't really penetrating. So, but the main goal right now is get that's tacked in, so we're good on that side for right now. We want to cut this side out. So, Andy had a template, cut this out. So now it's literally exact as that. So we can just put this one in, pretty much mark where we got cut out, and just start cutting this side out, and then get this side tacked in. That'll probably be what we get to today for the vlog, but we'll see how far we get. More garbage.
Holy room, Batman. Look at this.
All that room, dog. Oh yeah.
Better?
Better. And then we just gotta cut more of this right here.
Cut a little piece of that corner there.
And then this fucking can literally.
That you can bend out of the way and push back.
Yeah, I could run tacks in here and then cut it off or something, or trace it. Yeah, probably trace it first. Less to work with later. This piece of it. I think this height and this is perfect. Barely enough room for intercooler piping.
Who needs intercooler piping when you have a KA?
What are you talking about, dog? It's gonna be turboed.
About room, kid.
Talk about the room, just leave them open. There's a tire poke through there.
Yeah, bro, that's serious.
Sheesh.
Yeah, I haven't even really looked at it in here yet.
Like, bro, the kind of room that you're gonna get out of that.
Needed that very much.
Damn.
Wow.
Hell yeah.
That's sick.
It's gonna be sick when it's done.
Hell yeah, goddammit.
Hell yeah, goddammit. Well, that's pretty much it for this vlog. We are tacked in. Huh?
The hard part is tough.
Yeah, the hard part is, we got the hard part done, now it's just a little bit more tedious, so it's getting a little bit late. It's getting a little bit more late, so I'm going to take my time to go do a little bit more research on some other kids I read up on that did this before, and I know they've done like a complete flush where you can't even see a weld or anything, so I just want to see like what side they welded from, like how they filled in little gaps and stuff before I go crazy. This way I can make sure it's done clean, because even here the welds were just super like hard to get to actually lay right because it's kind of dirty, so I want to see if they have any tips and pointers before I try to do everything.
My advice is weld it, grind it, seam seal it.
Yeah, that's probably honestly what I was going to do.
That's the best factory look if that's what you're going for.
Yeah, because I'm not going to sit here for 3 days straight, because I don't have 3 days to grind metal. But if we can make it clean and seam seal and it looks nice, I'll be super happy. So that's going to be it for today. We're going to come back and this should all be done. You guys will see this before we paint it, but everything will be finished, self-etched, and then I don't know what else will be done, but we're going to try and get as much done as possible for the next time you see us. So stay tuned.